Hello everyone, welcome to Sulfur Soft. If you are watching this video, then I know you have listened about the NFTs, the non-fungible tokens, and you are curious that how they can be developed and where they can be sold. Which type of programming languages are required to develop these NFTs? Whether there is a need for a programming language to develop these NFTs or there is no need for the programming. I'm going to tell you everything in this video. These are the images of whales and creator of these images have named them as weird whales and he has sold them in $400,000. You will be astonished to see that the creator of these images is just a 12 years old kid who has sold these images in $400,000 in just 2 months. He had developed a Python program to generate these images, and in this video we are going to develop the same Python program. And good news is that in the end I am going to tell some tips that how this program can be utilized by the non-programmers. Before moving forward, I am going to show you some more NFTs. This is the NFT on the right side which has been sold in $69 million and it is the most expensive NFT so far. And on the left side his name is Beeple and he has created this NFT. Similarly, these are the images of CryptoPunks and till date the worth of these CryptoPunks is more than $1 billion. You can upload your NFTs on this platform OpenSea.io and can sell them in Ethereum. One Ethereum has worth of almost $3,400. So you can have a better price of your artwork. Your artwork can consist of an image, a music, or a GIF file. I'm using the word NFTs multiple times. Now I'm going to explain the concept of non-fungible tokens. Before that, I'm going to explain what is fungible. $1 will be equal to $1. It will not be equal to $2 or $3. I am giving you $1 and you are returning that $1 to me, then the amount is same. But if I am giving you $1 with my signature, then that $1 will not be equal to yours $1. Why? Because my dollar has the signature on it. So it has become unique and it belongs to me. So that dollars become my non-fungible token. I can sell it in $10 and $20 as well, maybe more. So non-fungible tokens are unique and are not equal to other ones. If you have something that is unique and it belongs to you, then it will become your non-fungible token. Whether it is an image, whether it is a music file, whether it is a video, or anything which is unique and belongs to you and doesn't exist anywhere else in the world, then you can sell it on the OpenSea.io and can earn a lot of amount of money. Here question arises that whether programming is required to create the non-fungible tokens or not. Let me explain it. It is the verified page of Weird Whales. It belongs to that 12 years old boy who has sold these whales in $400,000. He has 3,400 items in his wallet. To create such huge number of items, you need either many people, and if you are alone, then you need a program who will create such large number of items automatically. So both ways are correct. You need programming to create lot of items or you can create these number of items without programming by having large number of people or many artists. I think I have explained a lot about the NFTs. Now let's move toward the program which I have created to generate 10,000s of images or any number of images which you want. You just need to change one parameter, that is this. At this moment I have set this parameter 30, which means that only 30 images will be generated You can create crypto punks, you can create weird whales with this program. And I'm going to explain this line by line. And in the end, I'm going to give you the tips that how non-programmer can utilize this program to generate the unique images. Let's run this program so that we can generate some unique images. Here, previously there were no image and now it has generated 30 number of unique images. Look at here, we have created unique weird wheels, and these are giving us the count that how much blue whales, orange whales we have generated, what will be the background, and every detail of the NFT is being shared in this program. Let me open the NFT number 0. It is showing that attribute background is blue. Yes, it is blue. And the trait is whale and it is light blue whale. Let's see, is it light blue? Yes, it is light blue whale. Similarly, the eye color is blue. Look at here, the eye color is blue. I'm going to close this image and I'm going to see, and it has a cap that is of red color. It has a cap that is of red color. It is metadata, which I am explaining right now. I will tell you what is metadata and why it is necessary to upload it on the OpenSea.io in the next video. In this video, we are going to generate the metadata and the images. Now let me change the figure from 30 to 100 and let's see whether it is generating 100 images or not. Look at here. Yes, now it is generating 100 number of unique images. These two images are looking same, but the eye color is different. Look at here. It has yellow, it has green. The program also analyze that are all images unique. It will give true. If there will be any image that will not be unique, then this program will say false. Now I shall explain the step-by-step guide to generate multiple unique NFTs by using this program. First, you need trait layers like this. I have background, I have whale skeleton, and I have whale colors, and there is cap as well. What program will do? Program will combine all these trait layers and generate multiple unique NFTs. In the program, I'm using Python image library for the images, random to generate the random unique NFTs, JSON to create the JSON metadata so that we can easily upload it on the OpenSea.io. Here comes the block of code which generates different traits of the NFT and rarity of the NFT. I am explaining everything in a way that even a non-programmer can understand this program and generate the multiple NFTs through this. Here we have a folder background. So I have defined an array with the name background, and in this folder I have different images with the name blue, orange, purple, red and yellow, and I have wrote all those colors in the sequence in the array. For example, if I'm going to change it and name it as pink, then I'll also change it here. Although in the backend where I have defined the backgrounds here in the trait layers, it is still yellow, but the color is yellow and name has changed. So if you want to add some more files in this background or subtract some files or change the name of those files, then you need to change this one as well. I'm going to make it yellow again, and here I'm going to rename it again. Then there comes the background weight. Background weights, what they show, what they do. Basically, 30 means that in overall NFTs which will be generated, 30% will have the blue background. Similarly, 40 means 40% will have the orange background, and only 5% will have the red background, which means red background whales are rare and they can be sold in higher prices as compared to the other one. Then the trait layer comprises of caps, eyes, skeleton and wheels. So I have defined the individual array for the individual trait layer. For the skeleton, as skeleton will be used in all images, so there is no need for an array because it is only single. If you want to add another trait, for example, I add apple in the new trait layers, and I have to change the code for that one. I will define an apple array and the color of apple will be, for example, yellow and green, and then I shall define the apple weight. So if you want to change anything in your traits, then you can generate the program for that one as well. Here comes the part of program where I'm combining the array with the actual files inside the folders. Like there is a whale file and there is a whale array, brown, blue, green, light blue color it has, and I have written all these variables here and combined those and pointed those variables with the actual files available inside the folder. You can add and subtract anything here. So if you will add or subtract anything from here, you will add and subtract those things from here. If I delete these two, then I have to delete these two as well. Now I'm going to undo the changes here like this. Similarly for the other folders as well. This part is showing that how much images you want to generate, and this part is showing that what type of traits the image will have. My image will have a background, whale, eye and cat. So if you have any other trait like apple in the image, then you will write it like this. You will copy it, you will paste it and write it as apple, and there will be an apple array you will define here, which we had earlier defined like this apple, and there will be the weights of apple weights. Like this you can modify the code easily. In this part of program, I'm going inside the folders. Like I'm going inside trait layers, then I'm going into the background folders like this. Similarly, I'm going into the trait layers, and if I want to go into the whale folder, then I will go like this. So if you add any other folder, then you need to add the path of that folder here like this. Here comes the last part of program, which will take the traits of the image and make the metadata from it. So if you have any other trait like apple trait, then you will copy that one from here and paste it there and write apple and write apple here. It is so easy. you will get that attribute inside your metadata. This metadata is necessary to upload your all NFTs on the OpenSea.io. In the next video, we are going to learn smart contracts and how we can make an account on the OpenSea and how we can upload our 1000 or hundreds of NFTs on the OpenSea.io through a simple smart contract. Link of this program is given into the description of the video. The IDE which I am using is PyCharm and you can download it from JetBrains website. It has both version, free version and the community version. I am using the free version. If you are not a professional developer, then I will recommend to use free version. When you will download it and install it, create a new project like this and you will change the name of the project and create that one. It will automatically create virtual environment. You just need to create a new Python file to run the code. You will paste the code in that file. You will right click on that file and you will run that file like this and it will generate the unique NFTs.